Hey there, handy helpers. It's me, Andy, and welcome back to my workshop where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. Today, I have a new toy in the workshop. Do you know what this is? That's right. It's an airplane. Airplanes fly up in the air and take us to faraway places. I feel like a bird up here. Oh, look. I can see Lily's farm from up here. Hi, Lily. Do you want to see this airplane take off too? Great. But before this plane takes off, we need to warm up our flying muscles first. Join me. Okay, first, let's flap our arms like wings that are flying. Flap, flap, flap. Okay, now, let's look up at the clouds. Stretch, stretch, stretch your necks up high. And finally, let's get ready for takeoff. Get ready to jump with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Swoosh! Hey, great job, handy helpers. Our muscles are all ready. Let's get this plane ready to fly. Time for the first test flight. Handy helpers, if you want to see this plane take off, press that thumbs up button. Okay, count to 3 with me. 1, 2, 3. It's flying. It's flying right out of the workshop. Something on the plane sounded weird. I don't think it's working right. Uh-oh, I wonder where it landed.
Hi, Andy. Does this belong to you? I was working on the farm when it surprise landed right next to me.
Hi, Lily. Yeah, that's my airplane. Something on the airplane seemed broken, though. Handy helpers, are you ready to use our tool to fix this plane?
Let's do it!
Time to gear up and fix it up. Ready! We're going to need our toolbox for this one. I'll use my flashlight to get a closer look at the airplane. Now the front of the airplane is called the nose, like the nose on your face. It's where the pilot sits so he can see everything.
Next, let's check the wings. How many wings does an airplane have? 1, 2. An airplane has 2 wings that it uses to fly in the sky, just like a bird. These wings look just fine.
A plane also has wheels on the bottom that it uses for takeoff and for landing. Let's see if they spin. Spin, spin, spin. Yep, the wheels look fine too.
And lastly, let's check the engine. The engine is what makes the airplane fly up in the sky. Oh, I see. There's a bolt loose.
Well, a loose bolt. That sounds like a job for a wrench. And maybe this hammer. First, let's use our wrench. We need our wrench to twist, twist, twist the bolt back into place to make sure it's nice and tight. Twist, twist, twist. There. Now, let's use our hammer to tap, tap, tap to make sure it's nice and tight. Tap, tap, tap. There, should be all fixed. Now time for test flight number 2.
It worked! The airplane flew outside the workshop.
Yes, but still not flying as high or as far as it should. Something's still not right. Did we check all the parts inside the plane?
Good thinking, Andy. Did we check the lights?
Hmm.
No, we haven't. All right, let's see. Let's check our blue light here. That works. And our red light here. That works too. The lights are all working.
So, it's not the lights. Now, what else could it be? Hey, wait. When we fixed the engine before, we forgot to put all the people back in. Maybe the plane was too light before. Let's put the people back in.
Here's the pilot.
And here's the 2 passengers. There. Now that everyone's on board, I'm going to use my wrench to twist, twist, twist the wheels so we're going to have a smooth takeoff and a smooth landing.
Now we're definitely ready. The propeller's tight, the batteries are new. Oh, and the wheels are tight. Time for our final flight. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Take off! Oh, wow! Look at it go! I think we fixed it, Andy.
It's flying higher and faster than I thought. Woohoo! We did it! We fixed our toy airplane. We learned that sometimes you have to look for more than one problem to make sure the job is done right.
Thank you for using your tools to save the day.
Great work, everyone! Let's give a big high five. And remember,
At Andy's workshop,
we fix it
build it
and learn it together.
together.
See you next time.